So here we've got a linear equation that sort of appears quadratic. Okay, you'll notice a pair of brackets, and unsurprisingly, the very first thing you should do is to expand those brackets. Okay, there are many methods to do this, but I'll be using the claw method to expand them. Anything you like, as long as you get the answer correct. So when you expand this, you're going to get x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. And then the right hand side just stays the same, x squared plus 4x minus 3. Now then, after you've multiplied out a pair of brackets, you usually want to collect the like terms. So we've got these two like terms in the middle. I'm going to collect them together. Plus 4x and minus 3x makes plus 1x overall. And then I'll just copy the rest down. Okay, now you'll also notice we've got an x squared on both sides of the equation. They're both positive x squareds. So you could subtract x squared from both sides, and it knocks it down to this linear equation. So it is no longer a quadratic, or it wasn't a quadratic in the first place. Now we've got a linear equation with x on both sides. What I would normally suggest you do is move the smaller number of x's to the side with the larger number of x's. The smaller number of x's in this one is 1x here, so I'm going to move that over to this side and collect it with the 4x. It is positive 1x, so I shall be taking 1x away from both sides. And that's going to leave us with minus 12 equals 3x minus 3. Then we want this 3x here on its own, so I'm going to try and remove this minus 3 by adding 3 to both sides. Minus 12 plus 3 is going to give us minus 9. The minus 3 here and the plus 3 cancel to leave 3x. And the last thing you do, divide by 3 on both sides, and you end up with negative 3. Job done.